Hello friends, this is your Patriot John Adams here to discuss how the Bitcoin price just broke $1,000. This was definitely to be expected after we reached the last top of $900 even, and then it dropped down to $450. We made a relatively, kind of quick, but for Bitcoin I guess it was kind of a slow regain back up to the $900 area, and we are bursting above there. Right now, I currently can't access my Bitcoin charts, so I can't show you the exact prices and whatnot, and I can't really analyze it myself. It's possible that I could be being blocked from seeing these charts. If you happen to have a Bitcoin chart website and want me to, I can promote your website and use your charts. You know what I'm saying? So I'll use your charts and tell people about your website. That would be incredibly helpful. Right now I cannot see the charts, but I can still tell you what I think is going to happen as these events continue to stack upon Bitcoin, like new people starting to accept Bitcoin. We just recently had airlines are now accepting Bitcoin to pay for airline tickets, along with Bitcoin rent is accepted in China. Shopify, an online merchant, is accepting Bitcoin. Subway, and many other different entities. This is an incredibly good sign, showing that Bitcoin is getting massive strength, growing deep roots. So it doesn't seem like Bitcoin's going anywhere anytime soon, and the Bitcoin price is headed straight up. It could go straight up towards tens of thousands of dollars, but it really does depend on the events. So from this time being, I could see it going up to at least 1,500, possibly 2,000 plus, and it might have a pullback, but depending on the events, it could just go straight up further. So Bitcoin's already starting to become worth more than gold in a way, but Bitcoin, it's really hard to explain, but it's just like a representation of wealth, and you can divide the Bitcoins up into lots of different pieces, which is almost certain to be necessary very soon. Like Bitcoin's going to be divided into a much smaller coin, and no one will have access really, except for really rich people, to be able to buy a whole Bitcoin. So I've heard that the smaller units are called Satoshis. I'm not exactly sure how big that is, but I think they should be called something smarter, and kind of like the metric scale is, like every 10 units are, like every decimal place, it has like a name which represents the numbers somehow, because Satoshi and Bitcoins, using those as names for coins, it's just not optimal. But kind of getting off topic here, guys. Bitcoin's going straight up. If you don't have any Bitcoin now, like me, then I'm sure you're very upset, but I personally can't really afford to buy Bitcoins. And I'm trying to get Litecoins and whatnot, but I'm really honestly struggling to buy my food each day and buy clothes and whatnot and anything like that. So be sure to donate if you have any ability, if you're making money, with my advice. Even like a tenth of a Bitcoin could pretty much pay like half my bills for an entire month and keep me going, letting you guys know what's happening with the Bitcoins. Y'all be sure to subscribe to Infinity Dollar Bill, like this video, and share it on your social media. This is your Patriot John Adams. I'll see you guys soon. Take care.